Space, the final frontier. Beyond the planets we know and the stars we admire lies a universe full of secrets waiting to be uncovered. Today we'll explore 2024's most fascinating discoveries in astronomy. From hidden planets and black holes to Martian oceans and asteroid mysteries, let's unravel the cosmos together. Our galactic neighborhood is full of wonders, and one of the most intriguing is Barnard's star. This red dwarf, just 6 light-years away, is home to Barnard B, a planet more massive than Earth, yet locked in a tight orbit around its dim host star. In 2024, we delve deeper into the mysteries of Barnard B, seeking clues about its nature and potential for harboring life. Imagine a world shrouded in perpetual twilight, its surface sculpted by the gravitational pull of its nearby star. Could life as we know it endure in such an alien environment? The TESS telescope, our tireless exoplanet hunter, has yet to detect any transits of Barnard B. Is Barnard B a rocky world with a chance for a habitable zone, or a gaseous giant with a tumultuous atmosphere? The answers for now remain hidden. But the quest to understand Barnard B is far from over. Mars, the red planet, has always captivated our imagination. For decades we've sought signs of life, past or present, on its dusty surface. This year, our understanding of Mars took a monumental leap forward. Deep beneath the Martian surface, hidden from our view until now, lie reservoirs of liquid water. This isn't the frozen water ice we've known about before. This is liquid, flowing water, a discovery that rewrites our understanding of Mars and its potential for life. Imagine the possibilities. Could these subsurface reservoirs harbor microbial life, thriving in the darkness, far from the harsh conditions of the Martian surface? UC Berkeley scientists believe these water reservoirs could be crucial for future human exploration, offering a potential resource in a seemingly barren landscape. In the distant reaches of our solar system, beyond the familiar planets, lies a realm of icy giants and enigmatic objects. It's here, in this cosmic hinterland, that astronomers believe a hidden world lurks, Planet 9. While we haven't observed Planet 9 directly, its gravitational influence echoes through the orbits of trans-Neptunian objects. Their peculiar movements, meticulously mapped by astronomers like Battigan and Brown, point to the existence of a massive unseen world. Battigan's 2024 research builds upon years of meticulous observation and analysis, strengthening the case for Planet 9's existence. If confirmed, Planet 9 would revolutionize our understanding of planetary formation and the dynamics of our solar system. It would mean that our cosmic neighborhood is even more complex and awe-inspiring than we ever imagined. Chapter 4: Gaia BH3, the Silent Giant. Black holes, those cosmic monsters with gravity so strong that not even light can escape, often conjure images of violent destruction. But not all black holes are actively devouring matter. Some, like Gaia BH3, lurk in the darkness, their presence betrayed only by their subtle influence on their surroundings. This dormant black hole, a behemoth with 33 times the mass of our Sun, was discovered using data from the Gaia mission. Gaia BH3 isn't out there swallowing stars and planets, it's quietly warping the fabric of space-time, its gravitational pull a gentle tug on the stars in its vicinity. Gaia BH3's discovery reminds us that the universe is full of hidden wonders, objects of immense power lurking just beyond our perception. Chapter 5: Supernova Hope, a star's grand finale. Throughout the vastness of space, stars are born, they live, and they die. And sometimes their deaths are nothing short of spectacular. This year, we witnessed one such event, Supernova Hope. This celestial explosion, visible across unimaginable distances, wasn't just a dazzling display of light, it was a cosmic drama unfolding on a grand scale. Imagine a star much more massive than our Sun reaching the end of its life. It has exhausted its nuclear fuel and its core collapses under its own immense gravity. The result is a cataclysmic explosion, a supernova, that can outshine entire galaxies for a brief, brilliant moment. By studying the light from this explosion, we're able to unravel the secrets of stellar evolution, understanding the processes that create the elements that make up everything around us. Chapter 6: Bennu, rewriting the history of our solar system. Asteroids, those rocky remnants from the early solar system, hold clues to our cosmic origins. And few asteroids have captivated our attention quite like Bennu. This near-Earth asteroid, the target of NASA's OSIRIS-REx mission, has turned out to be a treasure trove of scientific surprises. In 2024, the samples returned from Bennu sent shockwaves through the scientific community. Their composition challenged our existing theories about planetary formation and asteroid composition. Imagine holding a piece of the early solar system in your hand, a relic from a time when planets were forming. The Bennu samples are like time capsules, offering us a glimpse into the conditions that prevailed billions of years ago. The data gleaned from these samples are revolutionizing our understanding of how planets formed, how water and organic molecules were delivered to Earth, and the very history of our cosmic neighborhood. Outrow, keep exploring. From mysterious planets and hidden black holes to water on Mars and asteroid surprises, 2024 has been a year of cosmic revelations. These discoveries remind us of how much we've learned, and how much more remains a mystery. So, what do you find most fascinating about today's breakthroughs? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wiz Cosmos for more journeys into the universe.